Global rank: United States 1, Iran 16. Tanks: United States 4,666, Iran 2,675. Fighter and attack types: United States 2,717, Iran 209. Total naval assets: United States 465, Iran 107. Nuclear weapons: United States 5,044, Iran 0. Defense budget: United States $916 billion, Iran $10 billion. GDP: United States $31.8 trillion, Iran $450 billion. Total military personnel: United States 2,132,530, Iran 1,180,000.